You watching Alpha Kids?
In the heart of the lush jungle, a magnificent beast is ensnared in a cruel trap. Witnessing the dire plight of the lion, a brave rodent steps forward, propelled by an unbreakable loyalty. The captor's sinister intentions reveal a looming threat to the lion as the mouse's resolve solidifies. Seeking assistance, the small rodent enlists the help of the wise, night-dwelling bird and other woodland denizens. Despite their disparate sizes and strengths, a unity of purpose binds the disparate animals in a precarious alliance. With determination etched on their faces, the creatures embark on a daring mission, fueled by courage and desperation. Face to face with peril, the jungle creatures rally their collective strength in a magnificent display of unity and resilience. The confrontation reaches its boiling point, setting the stage for a climactic showdown between the jungle's children and the interloper. Through cunning and cooperation, the jungle's denizens emerge victorious, their unity a formidable force against the forces of greed and cruelty. As the jungle pulsates with renewed life, a bond forged in adversity blooms between the Beast King and his diminutive ally.